Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I will be showing you how I wake up in makeup.
Take them like they're ours, then we'll leave our scars. We all kill if it's killing time, letting life pass by. We're guilty of that crime. Oh, that's just how the story goes. One minute we're young, then we get old. And if it's all over soon, then why should I care? Long as I got a hand to hold, 1 minute it's worth its weight in gold. Cause if I'm alone, it means I'm going nowhere. We got no money in our pockets, but we're out all night. See the beauty in the moments that we hurt inside. When it looks like hell on earth, we'll find a paradise. Find a paradise. Find a paradise. We all steal, we all kill, we all lie, we all fall, we all lie. So come and lie with me, and we can fall asleep, and maybe dare to dream. We all fall when we fall in love. It can be beautiful to give someone your all. Oh, that's just how the story goes. 1 minute we're young, then we get old. And if it's all over soon, then why should I care? Long as I got a hand to hold, 1 minute it's worth its weight in gold. Cause if I'm alone, it means I'm going nowhere. We got no money in our pockets, but we're out all night. See the beauty in the moments that we hurt inside. When it looks like hell on earth, we'll find a paradise. Find a paradise. Find a paradise. We got no money in our pockets, but we're out all night. See the beauty in the moments that we hurt inside. When it looks like hell on earth, we'll find a paradise. Find a paradise. Find a paradise. We all steal, we all kill, we all lie, we all fall, we all steal, we all kill, we all lie, we all fall, we all.
I guess we missed last call. Too into each other to notice they turned on the lights. It's that kind of night. I walk you to your car, but it's not a good idea for either of us to drive. So how about we ride? I'll get us in an Uber back. We can go back to my place. Kick your heels off at the doorway. Why does the night have to end just cause the bartender said, won't you come in for a nightcap? One more drink with you wouldn't be so bad. I thought we'll just fall into bed, but if we fall in love instead, would you la 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 that? Only one way to know. Won't you come in for a from the balcony that I've been telling you about? Isn't it wild? Let's get more wasted for free. I'll make you a drink, you can make yourself comfortable right on this four-leather couch. I'll get us in an Uber back. We can go back to my place. Kinda reckless for a Tuesday, but why does the night have to end just cause the bartender said, won't you come in for a nightcap? One more drink with you wouldn't be so so bad. I thought we'll just fall into bed, but if we've got love instead, would you lie that? Only one way to know, won't you come in for a right now, don't know what I'm talking about. But those eyes, could I be in love right now? That's what happens after. Won't you come in for a night? One more drink with you wouldn't be so bad. I told her just fall in the bed, but if we fall in love instead, would you lie? Only one way to know, won't you come in for a one more drink with you wouldn't be so bad.
I got it bad for a girl like you. You can tell me that you want me to. I want you bad, yeah. Been on the look for a stunner like you. No one can move just the way you do. I want you bad. There's no need to be alone. I just wanna be there for you. I could think a million things we could do, baby, me and you. Yeah. Just wanna kick it with you. No telling what we could do. Just wanna kick it with you. Bad for a girl like you. I can tell that you.
Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah. I just signed a deal, I'm on.
Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button.